Hello, and welcome to another QSM tutorial. Today, we are going to make a skill gap analysis quiz with different question types. We will be creating a personalized result page for every unique result using template variables. This quiz is created using the Breeze theme by QSM. You can make your own disposable website with InstaWP. Click the icon on right corner of the screen to learn more. To create a quiz, go to QSM plugin, then click on Add New button. Here you can select from different quiz themes and purchase the one that you like. Now we will configure the quiz settings. We will add the quiz name as Skill Gap Analysis Quiz, and further, we can select the form type of grading system. We will be adding a time limit of 5 minutes. You can set questions per page according to the type of quiz. We are going with 5 minutes timer. You can also purchase QSM add-ons to enhance your quizzes. You will be directed to the Questions tab. And here we will add a skill tap analysis questions. You have to select questions that will assess a person's skill, and therefore you can analyze their skill set on the basis of their answer. Here we are going for a multiple choice question type. You can also choose from different question types in QSM. Make sure to save the question after you have created it. Now you can add more questions or import different questions from other quizzes. Here we are selecting already prepared questions from different quizzes. As you can see, all the questions have been added to the quiz with the same configurations. Now we will go to the Contacts tab. Here you can choose the type of fields that you want to add in your contact form. We are going with the name and email, and that's it. Save your contact form. Now going to the Email tab, you can configure the email message that would be sent to quiz takers once the quiz is over. We have selected the questions and answers email variable, but you can select any template variable of your choice and save emails. Further, we will customize the results page. You can add text, images, and template variables of your choice to make a personalized result page for quiz takers, and make sure to save it. Now to beautify the quiz, go to the Style tab and select the theme of your choice. You can also select a suitable featured image for the quiz. Just select the image from media and it to the quiz. We are using the Breeze theme, and all themes are completely customizable. Save and preview the quiz. As per the prior quiz configuration of the Contacts tab, users will have to fill a contact form for selected fields. Further, we can see one question per page, and a timer of 5 minutes is running on the top right corner of the quiz card. Now let us quickly solve this quiz for you. After solving the quiz, the results page will be displayed. As you can see, it is the same as the Results tab, but here instead of the template variable, the user's information is used like username, email, questions, and answers. The format remains the same, only the information is personalized for every result. This is how template variables make your quiz making process easy. Thanks for watching.